once again. Clap your hands and sing with me, learning letters happily. Teacher cat with glasses bright, holding chalk and board so white. Today we learn and laugh and play from G to L the fun way. G is for grapes, purple and sweet, growing in bunches, yummy to eat. G is for goat, saying ma ma ma, jumping around on the green grass far. G-H-I, come sing with me. J-K-L, as fun as can be. Clap, 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 shout hooray, learning letters everywhere. H is for hat on my furry head. H is for horse, running ahead. Hop, hop, hop like a happy hare, learning letters everywhere.
I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, dripping drops that taste so neat. I is for igloo made of snow, where little penguins like to go. G-H-I, come sing with me. J-K-L, as fun as can be. Clap, 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 shout hooray, learning letters every grade. J is for juice in a shiny cup, take a sip and drink it up. J is for jelly, wobble and shake, jiggle jiggle like jelly cake. K is for kite flying high in sky, colorful wings going way up high. K is for koala, sleepy and slow, hugging the trees wherever they go. L is for lion, loud and strong, roaring proudly all day long. L is for lamp, shining so bright, lighting the room in the night. Meow meow, great job today. You learn letters the fun way. From G to L you sang with me. Smart little learners you will be. G